YouTube, it's me again. What am I doing? I'm sitting in my truck. I got 20 minutes to kill. I'll show you why in a second, because I am traveling across a lake on a ferry. And here, I'll switch the view over. Let's jump wide. There we go. There's my view of the beautiful Lake Champlain. We'll see if we get a view of Loch Ness Monster. I'm coming from Vermont on my way to New York State, of course. I'll see if I can make this a short video. I don't know. It's pretty cool. It's a pretty relaxing, I don't know, drive. I'm doing this for work. I don't normally involve my work with YouTube videos, even though I probably should, because it's probably a lot more exciting. I'd probably get more views, and you'd probably want to see what candy I picked up and what junk food and the price and all that stuff and where I went. But then I don't want to reveal all my secrets in life. If you look off to, I think it would be to your left, there's another ferry coming this way. I think this takes about 10, 15 minutes. And what's new on my channel? Well, I'm waiting for some wire to come in. I should make this into a weekly what's new. I'm waiting for some wire to come in. I'm going to start wiring up some, what do you call it? Some switches. Now, actually, if I look way to my left, there's a mountain where it's got snow capped. It snowed. It's April, I don't know what the hell day it is, April 9th, 10th. And we had snow. This normally happens up here in the north. There's a bunch of snow-capped mountains. Thankfully, all the ice is gone. Getting on this thing in the ice in the winter is ridiculous. It's crazy. This ferry also, when it's super windy, gets really choppy. I know it's probably not like the mid-Atlantic Ocean or anything, but it's pretty cool. Let me turn it this way. Let's see. You can see that there's the ferry. If you look way in the distance, my phone will probably fall off here. I just thought I'd do a video of me. Yeah, so back to the channel. I'm, what do you call it? I'm gonna work on some bikes. The shed's gonna have the door put on and we'll build a ramp for the shed. I'm gonna get one of the bikes out of there. I'll probably try to sell the M274 military mule. If you don't know what that is, look it up. You'll see it's a 1966. Apparently it was the predecessor of the Willys Jeep. They replaced it with an M274 mule. They made like 11,000. Apparently they lost half of them in Vietnam. There was supposed to be like 5,000 left. Tons of them got destroyed on gunnery ranges, and nobody really knows how many's left. But anyway, I'm going to try to sell that this summer because I don't really need it. I might try to get the Austin Mini back up and running. I got to do some work on it. I think the tires have flat spots, so I'll be driving around one because I'll go. The bike's coming out of the garage. A bunch of the wheelers are getting new tires. I'm wiring up some switches. I'll be sending some stuff to powder coat, which I haven't got to do it because I've been doing electrical wiring. I'm almost done. It's when you gotta, what do you call it, fix your house, it's a little more important than YouTube. So yeah, if you want to enjoy the scenery here, it's pretty cool actually. Not sure how this is 3 minutes. So far we're about 3, maybe 4 minutes into this. It's kind of it's a nice view. In the summer it's nice because you can go stand out on the deck and just, you can't get too close to it. But one time we were on here with my father and it was like bobbing like this. Literally the boat, it was rocking about 3 feet and it felt like it was going to flip over. It was like creepy. And I swear I must have put fingerprints in the seat. It's also like 9 o'clock in the morning here. Actually, let me see if I can make it go this way. Get this way. If you look way out there, I don't know if I can see that far. There's some mountains. A couple of snow-capped mountains over there. It's pretty cool. There's some building right there. Looks pretty neat. Kind of a nice view. I like it. It's kind of a relaxing thing. It gives you a way to relax on the way to wherever I'm going. I go pick up, sorry about that. That's my phone holder in my car. The little springy thing. I kind of get to relax, not have to drive. it's the easiest way to get across because there's another ferry. It's further south. It takes, I think, an hour or two. It's further south. This one, if I wanted to drive around, there's about maybe another 45 minutes, maybe to an hour round trip to get right across where I'm going. So paying $12 is worth it. Other than that, I'm tired. I've been up since 6 this morning. Didn't get a lot of sleep because we got a sick youngling who's got a cold. Plus, he likes to use me as a warmer. Stuff his feet under my legs. So, here I am. Me and all of YouTube. You know what I always like about YouTube is, I'll never forget, like one guy said, you have to sit here and talk in the video and pretend like I'm literally here by myself. I'm sitting in my truck talking to myself, recording in a camera. Like you have to pretend there's somebody in the room. Oh, I do have a couple more tool reviews coming. I've been putting out videos mostly Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and Monday. What's new? I have a couple of Tooly Tuesdays coming. I haven't bought any more tools lately. I've been putting, I have a couple of shorts. I just did random. And so, we'll try to get this thing docking. Like 10 minutes. If you want to speed it up, go right ahead. If you want to help me with watch time, please do. Just please watch the whole video. It helps. The other thing on my channel is I have more than enough subscribers to be monetized. I don't have enough watch time. Like you need 3,000 or 4,000 hours watch time, and I've been stuck around 2,000 hours. And I don't claim to have the greatest videos in the world. I don't claim to do the greatest video editing. I don't claim to have like the greatest content, but it's fun. I'm gonna continue doing it as long as YouTube exists, or until I just probably drop dead. I don't know. It's fun. My daughter wants him. My daughter made she signed up on YouTube, made a YouTube channel. Doesn't remember the email. Can't figure out how she did it. Somehow got 55 or like 50-something subscribers just by using CapCut and making dumb videos. So I told her, I said, if you're going to do stuff like that, I'll make you an actual YouTube channel and upload actual videos to it. And she did. We'll see if she actually does anything though. Kids tend to get a little lazy after a while. I like the view. One day I'd like to get I told my wife, I'd like to get a kayak and just go kayaking down here, or a canoe or something. Personally, I like those little kayaks. They tend to stay floating. I can see myself flipping myself in a canoe. Of course, I'm going to wear a life jacket. There's the other ferry. What do we got? How many more minutes we got? 8 minutes. Oh, we're booming here. Watch me run out of video memory. Here we come. Anyway, if you forget, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave some comments in the video. I forgot to turn my car off. I'm supposed to turn my car off. Yeah, there we go. You're supposed to turn the engine off. I totally forgot. It's a lot quieter. 9 minutes. Or 9 minutes. No, I'll stop here and I'll just record the, I'll just record and I'll edit it out. Actually, it'd be better if I just stopped the video, start it over. I'll make another one. So anyway, stay tuned for part 2. I'll do part 2 and